Hello, and thank you for watching this video. Here at Pure Photonics we are making different types of lasers, and we realize that it's sometimes difficult for customers to select the right version and accessories. In this video I'm going to discuss the different versions and provide some advice on what to select. You can basically distinguish our lasers based on integration levels and on performance. First, on performance, we have our telecom grade versions like PPCL 600 and PPCL 500, and our sensor grade versions like PPCL 700 and then PPCL 550, 560 and 590. All lasers have the external cavity design and hence provide a very narrow line width of about 10 kHz. The base power level is 30.5 dBm and the base frequency range is 191.5 to 196.25 THz for C-band and 186.35 to 191.1 THz for L-band. They also can all be upgraded up to 16 nanometer tuning range and up to 17 dBm power for C-band and 16 dBm power for L-band. But the difference is in the noise performance at lower frequencies and in the options available for the lasers. Options such as amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, clean measurement, analog output, clean sweep, etc. are not available on the telecom grade product. For the integration level, we separate the component level, like PPCL 600 and PPCL 700, from the module level, PPCL 500, 550, 560 and the cobalt enclosure, and higher levels of integration like PPCL 590 with a gas cell or our 19-inch rack solutions. In general, products at the module level or above are easiest to operate. They come with a power supply and a USB connection and essentially operate out of the box. For component level products, the user will need to provide a heatsink, a communications interface that matches the 3.3 volt LVTTL serial port, and the voltage supplies like 3.3 volt and minus 5.2 volt, or they need to use an evaluation board. If you are a lab user, and even if you want to integrate a laser in a system without wanting to customize too many things about the laser, then the module solution will fit you best. It is cost effective, it's lower cost than a component and the evaluation board. It's easier to implement and it has lower risk of breaking something like a fiber or some electronics. If you want to make an integrated system where size is critical or where all the required voltage is already available and maybe USB communication is not desired, then the component level may be better for you. In general, you just need a little bit more experience and know-how about the underlying laser to make the component part work for you. Our telecom grade lasers are essentially lasers that are deployed worldwide in telecom networks and have very high functionality. Pure Photonics adds the whisper mode and other customizations in performance and features. For example, all our telecom lasers can do in-operation frequency fine-tune up to 12 GHz in both directions and can operate in the lower noise whisper mode. However, the electronics is not modified from the telecom use and hence, especially in the 50 kHz to 10 MHz range, the noise is higher than on the sensor grade devices. The sensor grade devices are using the same optics as the telecom grade laser, but they have an optimized firmware and electronics. They have a much lower noise in the 50 kHz to 10 MHz range and provide optional features such as frequency modulation, amplitude modulation, analog output, analog input and other features such as clean sweep and clean jump. And the in-operation fine-tune for the sensor grade laser is plus or minus 30 GHz. Note that most features are optional and must be selected upon ordering. Also, note that if you select amplitude modulation, you can choose a bandwidth of 50 kHz or 1 MHz. In the latter case, the RIN reduction in the 50 kHz to 10 MHz range is not available. Also note that for the module level products, the enclosures, the maximum number of inputs and outputs is 3. So you can't have AM, FM, clean measurement and analog output. On the integration level we provide the PPCL 500 and PPCL 550. PPCL 500 is for the PPCL 600 in an enclosure, and PPCL 550 is for the PPCL 700 in an enclosure. For L-band, our part numbers end with an 1. All versions have a power plug input, and we ship the wall plug power supply with the product. They also have a micro USB input. This micro USB interface will install as a serial interface on the PC. Alternatively, we provide the PPCL 600 and PPCL 700 in the co-bright interface. This is based on a collaboration with ID Photonics. Whereas the Pure Photonics products can be operated with our command line interface and graphical user interface software, our core assumption is that those are mostly for demonstrating capabilities. We would expect most customers to integrate the operation of the laser in their own scripts. The ID Photonics enclosures come with a more mature control interface, and they are ideal for lab applications, where the laser is more operating in a standalone mode. We also provide a PPCL 560, which has the same functionality as the PPCL 550, but with a DB9 interface. That provides a serial interface that can be more convenient to access if the laser is integrated in a system or for production. A USB interface requires a PC, whereas this interface can be accessed by a microprocessor. Finally, we also provide a stabilized laser, where it's integrated with an acetylene gas cell for better stability. That's our PPCL 590. For all of our modules, except the co-bright, we can offer the laser with an adapter in the wall of the module or with a pigtail. With the adapter, you can screw in your own FC-APC or FC-PC patch cord. With the pigtail, you can choose for either 900 micron, 2mm or 3mm fiber protection. For all pigtails, you can have a wide range of connector options, including FC-PC, FC-APC, LCPC, LC-APC, SCPC or SC-APC. If you decide to go with a component level product, we have a couple of evaluation solutions. First of all, our PPB700 evaluation board, which is essentially all you need to operate the laser. This PPB700 comes with both a micro USB and DB9 serial interface. We also have a plug-on board, PPB600, that goes onto PPCL 600, and PPB760 that goes on PPCL 700. This provides a micro USB interface and the conversion from a small 14-pin connector on the product to a wire terminal solution. All the evaluation products are flex cables, connector boards and heatsink plates. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the capabilities of our product range and will help you in selecting the product that is right for you. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your time.